taking a little family vacation in Colorado. Definitely gonna go hiking tomorrow. It's a bit chilly, but we're gonna go. Maybe fly the drone a little bit, get some good footage with the Blackmagic. But it's the only thing that we could think of that's family safe in a pandemic 2020. So here we are, renting a cabin in Colorado. This is called the Thunderbird. Highly recommend this one. It's decked out, it looks awesome. We're gonna go get some dinner. We had a long trip, probably relax for the evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. So right now we're trying to figure out what permits we need to go hiking, because apparently with this whole COVID thing, you need permits to go hiking, unless if that's a normal thing. We didn't know about it before we came here, so now every single trail that we try to go hiking on, we need a permit, and we don't have time to print one out or do anything because we're staying in a cabin that doesn't have a printer, and none of these places will print any of them out. So right now, we're just trying to figure out what's going on and where can we go hiking for free, or if we can get a permit ahead of time. All right, so we got the whole permit thing figured out. It's currently the next day. We're gonna try to hike up to the peak of this mountain by 2 p.m. It's called Kruger Trail. Apparently it's around 2 miles long, but it's a beautiful day outside. Much prettier than yesterday. So hopefully it's a good day of hiking, and we'll see you at the top. I was told that we're almost to the top. We're about a quarter of the way away from the peak. Hopefully it's worth it. So check back then. It's pretty exhausted. It's a 2-mile hike. We're really close, but we're dying over here. Look at this view. Ah. I think this is one of several views, but it's beautiful up here. I don't know, I think this is one of the views. View 1. Alright, this is the second highest point to the top. Look at this view though. It's beautiful. I'm gonna go up there.
Anybody have a snack for me?
No. Soon. I'll be going up there shortly. In case you're wondering, I did make it up to the top of the mountain. Just when I got there, everyone was kind of sitting around looking at the view and not talking, and that's because the view was so breathtaking, nobody wanted to talk. So I didn't really feel comfortable getting my camera out and talking or anything, so I just snapped a couple photos and then we went back down the mountain, got some Subway. Now we're back at the cabin. We leave first thing tomorrow morning, heading back to Texas. So we just got to pack our bags tonight and head out super early in the morning.